Hey, what's up, you guys? Look at the floor. I'm gonna have to show you guys clips of cars in our trash can. But if you guys can see that, it's like frost. Like it's ice all over this. Oh my gosh. So tonight it's supposed to be snowing. It says at 9 o'clock, I think 9 o'clock is 90% chance of snow. So yeah, buddy, the kids cannot wait. Scarlett, look at the camera. Look at Scarlett. Oh, sorry, I called you Scarlett. Is it cold? What is it? It's 14 degrees the last time I checked. Yes, I'm freezing. I don't have my car. Oh my gosh, look at this field behind us. Oh my gosh, I don't have my car. My husband has my car, so I walk her to school in the morning because she has to walk, which her school is not far whatsoever. But I just go ahead and walk her since she's got to be in the cold. I kind of figure I might as well get myself in the cold, you know, as well. It'll help wake myself up and everything. But my son, he does take the bus. Yesterday he missed the bus. He was not happy about that because he had to walk to school. Yeah, because I couldn't take him. But oh my gosh, there's just so much frost everywhere. So anyway, any words, Scarlett? Do you have any words?
It's cold.
Where's your gloves? Where's your
Got it in a bin.
Oh, okay. Well, you got to remember it tomorrow. I'm not going running back to get your gloves. She left her gloves, you guys.
Well, they didn't even let us go outside.
Well, of course.
All PE classes will stay
Oh yeah.
inside.
Oh yeah. Today they also sent out a mass email, and I mean not today. Yesterday they sent out a mass email saying that all activities, everything is canceled today because of how cold it is. Y'all, my hair looks like I stuck my finger in an electric out, like an electricity out, little plug, whatever.
No, a bobby pin.
Oh, Bob. Oh, yeah. Back in the day, this little girl right here, when she was like 2 years old, stuck a bobby pin in the dang outlet in her brother's room and dang near killed herself. That's why you gotta watch 2-year-olds. She was in the room with her brother. I think he was playing games. I don't know.
He just got back from school.
How do you remember? You were 2 years old.
I remember. Yeah.
But all right, y'all, I'm starting to get up to the school and everything. So, all right, I need to put my glove on. Gosh, it's snowing.
It's jumping on me.
It's snowing, Mason.
Mom, it's jumping on me.
It is. Go get Cameron, Ben. Go get Cameron, Ben. But you're gonna have to probably hold him, because knowing him, he probably ain't got nothing on. Okay, we only be out here for a second, because look at this girl. Look at this girl.
Mom, it's jumping on my eye.
It's on your eye?
It's on his hair.
This girl is having too much fun.
Oh,
It's in your hair, Mason.
huh?
He doesn't even notice. He's like, what the heck is going on? Cameron, it's snow. He's like, I know. It's snowing.
Wait, it actually is coming down.
It's coming down pretty thick. Is it cool?
Yes, cool.
Okay, but we need to put a jacket on, seriously.
No.
Okay, take him back. Come on, let's go get a jacket. It's cold.